Why are there so many different denominations? The existence of many different denominations within Christianity primarily stems from historical, theological, and cultural differences that have emerged over time. These differences can range from interpretations of biblical texts, ecclesiastical structures, practices, and beliefs regarding salvation, the sacraments, and the role of Mary and the saints, among others. Biblical perspectives. Ephesians 4:4-6, bold, there is one body and one Spirit, just as you were called to the one hope that belongs to your call. One Lord XPLULQC for RRK faith XPLULQC for RRK baptism XPLULQC for RRK God and Father of all, who is over all and through all and in all. 1 Corinthians 1:10, bold, I appeal to you, brothers, by the name of our Lord Jesus Christ, that all of you agree, and that there be no divisions among you, but that you be united in the same mind and the same judgment. Romans 14:1-4, bold, as for the one who is weak in faith, welcome him, but not to quarrel over opinions. One person believes he may eat anything, while the weak person eats only vegetables. The one who eats is not to despise the one who abstains, and the one who abstains is not to pass judgment on the one who eats, for God has welcomed him. Who are you to pass judgment on the servant of another? It is before his own master that he stands or falls, and he will be upheld, for the Lord is able to make him stand. 3 main takeaways. 1. Unity and diversity. Despite the differences across denominations, notably EXFQJPNS, unity among Christians is a central biblical theme. Christians are encouraged to focus on the core tenets of their faith, love for God and love for one another, while respecting differences in doctrines and practices. 2. Freedom of conscience. The New Testament emphasizes the importance of conscience and personal conviction in matters of faith. Romans 14, for example, advises believers to accept one another without passing judgment over disputable matters. This principle allows for a diversity of expressions within the overarching framework of Christian faith. 3. Historical context. The emergence of different denominations is often a response to historical, cultural, and theological contexts. Understanding the reasons behind these differences can foster mutual respect and dialogue among Christians from various traditions, helping them to work together for common goals and to share the love of Christ with the world. Christian denominations exist as a reflection of the diverse ways in which individuals and communities interpret and live out their faith. Despite these differences, the call to love and unity remains a central command for all Christians. Greg Gaines. Father, grandfather, minister, missionary, deacon, elder, author, digital missionary, foster parents, welcome to our family. https://jesusleadershiptraining.com/about us/